Hi traders, happy Tuesday. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope your December's gotten off to an amazing start. Listen, I hope that you're following all of the content and all of the work that I spend a lot of time putting out on my YouTube channel. All right, if you haven't done so, I need you to go over to that channel, link is below. I want you to subscribe and I want you to click the bell in the upper right-hand corner to make sure that you are notified each and every time I put out a valuable piece of content. There is content being put out on that channel 365 days every single year. And of course, it's absolutely free. Now, in an upcoming video, I'm going to be doing something very special. This has been, the year 2020 has been one of, if not the most profitable trading years of my entire career. And guys, we're coming up on my 34th year as a professional trader. So that's saying something. This year has been very special, but it doesn't mean that I've been right 100% of the time. In fact, this year, in addition to being one of my most profitable, this year actually is one of the years that's taught me the most about my mistakes. It has taught me the most about me being wrong. So in an upcoming video, I want to actually delve into what I got wrong. I want to talk about what the market this year has taught me. I've been taught more lessons in the year 2020 than any other year in my entire career. And I want to share those lessons with you. So make sure you go over to my YouTube channel. It's Oliver Velez Trading. I have YouTube channels in 3 languages, English, Spanish, Portuguese. So for most of you, there's no excuse. Every single day, I'll make sure that I do my job of putting out something into the world that can help you take one small, tiny step toward your goal of becoming a master trader. So get over to that YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notifications bell in the upper right-hand corner. Click all to make sure that you are notified of every single thing I do on that channel. All right, guys, that's my gift to you. Enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy your trading. Stay very close. And remember, I am your trader for life. Boom!